Fellow IITians, I am Tushar Kant, one of the founders of IIT Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning Forum. Today I have with me Ms. Surbhi Kaul, an alumnus of IIT Kanpur and a product manager at Google. She is one of the speakers at our upcoming event on January 17th, titled How IITians May Plan a Career in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning at Top High-Tech Firms in Silicon Valley. Today we will talk to Surbhi about her journey from IIT Kanpur to Google, her association with IIT Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning Forum, and the message she wants to communicate to 15,000 plus IITians in Silicon Valley. Welcome, Surbhi.
Thank you, Tushar.
Tell us about your journey from one of the top engineering schools in India, which is IIT Kanpur, to one of the most beautiful technology campuses of the world, Google in Menlo Park.
So, Tushar, after I finished my undergrad in IIT Kanpur, I came to the US to do my master's in computer science. And post that, I moved to the Bay Area, where I have worked with high-tech companies like HP, Cisco, Netflix, covering a gamut of enterprise to consumer markets and products. And for the last 10 years, I have been with Google as a product manager. And during these 10 years, I have worked on many Google products that use machine learning and AI sprinkled across all the products, which has been the case even before AI and ML became a mainstream subject.
Great to hear that. So, the artificial intelligence and machine learning is applied across the complete Google portfolio. Share with us your experience of what your application of artificial intelligence and machine learning across different products that you have worked in Google, both in enterprise and consumer space.
So, Tushar, as I said, Google has used AI and ML in most of their products for a very long time. Anytime you use a historical data to make a future prediction, it's machine learning at play. And whether you look at an ad being served for a specific user in a Google search page or in Gmail, or you look at the next video that will be played, auto-played in YouTube, all of these are examples of machine learning. And most recently, I have been working in Google Home and Google Assistant, which relies on a lot of various AI ML products, including speech recognition, natural language processing, and also understanding the user intent to make a personalized recommendation. Along with that, if you look at image recognition, that is also being used in many of our products, including Google Photos and Google Hub.
It's a great overview of application of artificial intelligence and machine learning by one of the leading companies in the world, Google. You know, you have been associated with IIT Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning Forum for almost last 1 year. You've come to almost all of our coffee chats last year, and we had almost 6 to 10 of them across different topics. Tell us about what you learned and your experience being engaged with IIT Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning Forum.
So, Tushar, as you said, I have been coming to the coffee chats organized by AIML Forum for the last almost a year. And I have really enjoyed these sessions. I have learned a lot, met a lot of industry experts across all the big companies as well as startups who are dealing with real problems in the consumer space, in the enterprise space, and trying to solve these using AI ML. And so it gives me a lot of exposure to new things that I'm not aware of, and an opportunity to learn. And I come back very energized, understanding these new problem spaces and how smaller companies are trying to solve without having enough data to train their ML models, and how do they circumvent these kind of problems. So these sessions actually remind me of my IIT days, very invigorating.
This is interesting. A coffee chat in Castro Street in Menlo Park takes you back to your IIT campus. Surbhi, what message would you like to give to 15,000 plus IITs in Silicon Valley who are aspiring to pursue a career in artificial intelligence and machine learning?
That's a very good question, Tushar, because I feel as a leader in the Bay Area for the last several years, I have led the IIT Kanpur Chapter Alumni Association as the president. I am a board member of the Bay Area Leadership Community, and then I also lead Women in Product, the Bay Area chapter. So I feel that AI ML is such a force that people can incorporate in their company, in their products, and this event will give them an opportunity to do that. So for example, when I'm in Google, I have a fixed set of problems I deal with, but when I meet the other stalwarts of the industry, I get exposed to a whole bunch of other things and implementations and thought leadership in AI ML. And I think that's what this panel will bring in the town hall style session that you have set up, where people in our IIT community can come and have a conversation, ask questions to leaders, whether it's from Google or Amazon or Facebook or Uber or Apple, and understand how AI ML is being used in each of these companies and how they can incorporate AI and ML as part of their own journeys in their own companies.
Great to hear that. They can plan their career where they can leverage their AI ML background and skills. That's good. So friends, that was Surbhi Kaul from IIT Kanpur. The way she has shared her journey from campus to Google, as well as her experience of working in artificial intelligence and machine learning at Google, is amazing. Thanks a lot, greatly appreciated. I will again make the appeal at the end to 15,000 plus IITians in Silicon Valley to register and attend the event in a big way. See you all on January 17th. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Tushar. See everybody. Bye-bye.